I'm Charlie Roadman, Austin criminal defense attorney, and today we're going to talk about virtual notarizations, particularly how our office handles them. So first, why does the court require notarizations? Well, it's to prevent fraud. It's to make sure that the documents that we are giving to them have been signed by you legitimately. And we need them particularly with occupational driver's licenses and expunctions or sealing. There are a few other scenarios we do, but those are the main few. We can notarize a document virtually through the system that I'm about to explain, or you can come into our office and do it in person if you are our client. So our process, the first step is we'll let you know when we're ready for the document to be notarized. And then you call our office manager and schedule a time for the notarization. The office manager will send you an email with instructions for step one, which is ID verification, which you do by yourself, okay? That has to be done before the virtual notarization happens. And then the time you've scheduled with her, a few minutes before, she'll send you another email with the instructions on how to do the actual notarization itself. So the first thing, this is what the email will look like. You click on that link or paste that in, and it'll take you to a page, and it's going to say, hey, we're going to verify your ID. You do that with your driver's license that you're going to have to upload to them. And so you capture your license after you give them your information about who you are. You're going to upload your license with this button. And then the way I did it, and it's super easy, you do it through text or SMS. You click that button and they're going to send you a text. And the text will say, hey, take a picture of the front of your license and send it to us. And then once it's got that satisfactorily, it'll say, now send us the back. And then after that, then send us a picture of you personally, your face. So these three texts that you send back to them, they'll verify that information. And then they have a little quiz about information like where you used to live, and even had my brother's birth month question. Anyway, there's 4 or 5 questions just to confirm you are who you say you are. And then you accept your signature or write it out, say this is what I wanted to say. And then that's it. That's the end of phase 1 for our process, okay? The next thing is that a few minutes before your scheduled notarization time, the office manager will send you another email, and it'll look like this. And you follow the instructions on this one, and you have to turn on your camera and audio. You start a web session with the office manager or the virtual notary. Her picture would be there, but she pointed it up at the ceiling because she didn't want to be in the video. But she'll ask you a few questions and make you show your driver's license again to the camera, because she's a notary and she has to be 100% certain that you are who you say you are and then what you're going to sign. And then after she's done that, you sign the page there by clicking on the link, and that's it. And then that notarized document, our office manager will send to us, and we will file it with the court or wherever it needs to be filed. That's it. I hope that helps you understand the virtual notarization process. If you have any questions, just give us a call.